SmartBidet SB-1000 Review. Transform your bathroom with heated warm water comfort. Picture stumbling into the bathroom half asleep on a freezing winter morning, only to be violently jarred awake by an icy toilet seat. Last winter, my neighbor actually kept a space heater plugged in just to survive those chilly visits. It felt utterly ridiculous. Cold plastic is pure misery. Have you ever wished your bathroom routine felt a lot gentler? Relying solely on dry paper leaves you feeling uncomfortable, constantly burning through rolls while irritating sensitive skin. One busy professional told me she dreaded bathroom breaks during hectic workdays because persistent chafing ruined her focus entirely. It drains your daily energy. Relief is much closer than you think. A cleaner, spa-level experience is waiting to restore your daily comfort. Don't just buy any electric bidet toilet seat. Make sure it has customizable warm water cleansing so you never suffer from abrasive paper irritation again. That is why the SmartBidet SB-1000 has become such an essential home upgrade. It easily replaces your standard seat with soothing posterior, feminine, and turbo wash modes, backed by a self-cleaning 3-in-1 nozzle. You get 5 adjustable water pressure levels, cozy seat heating, and a 5-setting warm air dryer that dramatically cuts down on paper waste. A friend who recently underwent shoulder surgery told me the intuitive wireless remote gave him back total personal independence without awkward twisting. Another homeowner recovering from long plumbing hassles installed it in under 30 minutes using basic household tools and instantly loved the soothing oscillating spray. Simple luxury feels incredible. Plus, the built-in skin sensor ensures the spray only activates when you are securely seated, keeping your bathroom floor completely dry. But there is a smart energy-saving trick that makes running the seat even more efficient over time. Living with this seat quickly turns your morning routine into a seamless, refreshed ritual. A home appliance specialist noted that activating the built-in energy saver mode keeps water warming on demand as soon as you sit down, effortlessly curbing electricity use while maintaining ideal warmth. Meanwhile, one longtime reviewer shared that switching from standard toilet paper was like experiencing luxury for the first time, noting their entire household could never go back. Even on a septic system, flushing far less paper provides immense peace of mind every single day. While some buyers wonder if a grounded electrical outlet requirement makes initial setup tricky, most find the included hardware connects smoothly to standard elongated bowls in under 30 minutes. An experienced user reported their original unit operated reliably for 8 straight years across daily family use without a single mechanical hiccup. Durability truly speaks volumes. With thousands of households steadily upgrading their bathrooms for cleaner living, you realize why modern personal hygiene standards are changing so rapidly everywhere. See why so many homeowners continue relying on it for their daily comfort. Which custom wash setting would you try out first in your own home setup? Upgrading your bathroom with the SmartBidet SB-1000 is a practical investment in personal comfort and everyday wellness. A growing number of families and smart homeowners are making the switch every week to enjoy a fresher lifestyle. Last week, a friend replaced his guest bathroom seat and said visitors haven't stopped complimenting the heated comfort. Daily routines feel elevated. Check the link in the description or pinned comment below to check current availability and details. Treat yourself to effortless clean living and feel the difference today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.